Meaning of ground.
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 Ground. Ground can refer to a few different things depending on the context. It can refer to the solid surface of the earth or soil, such as when we walk on the ground or plants take root in the ground. Ground can also refer to a reference point or basis for comparison, such as when we ground our beliefs in evidence or experience. Additionally, grounded can mean a punishment where someone is not allowed to do things they enjoy. In summary, ground can refer to the surface of the earth, a reference point, or a type of punishment.